right over here. That's dry. It won't slide. Watch out, Olivia. Move.
They're coming. You got to get on it, dude. I didn't get all of that, but I guess I got some of it.
What did you see?
I don't know. We'll check it in a minute after. Watch out. Libby, get closer to the water.
No, I'm in the water spring, Dad.
Okay. She's got them speed brakes on the front working real good.
Go sit on your butt and I'll pull you.
I don't think so.
Okay, this got a red light flashing, Libby. Here. I guess I have to, let's see, it says.
It's recording now.
Oh, that's the record. Okay. I'm learning how to use the machine.
Come on, Dick. I'll throw cherries at you.
Come on, Dick. Come on, just do it. I'll do it.
All right.
Right.
No. Ready?
Good job! Good job! You did it! Yay! You did it! You did good. Here, I'll help you up. You got an owie?
Is it better?
We'll fix it.
Is it better?
We can fix it. I got Band-Aids.
Thank you.
It's that extra weight. That's what pulls me to the left.
Yeah,
because it goes to the left. It's extra weight.
If you would come from over the water itself, that's where you're going to get most of your track. But
Yeah.
Did you make that?
Yeah.
How do I? Hey, that was perfect. I like that.
I don't want to land on that.
Let's see. Okay, I'm recording.
You land on the right shoulder and you'll stick to the stick.
If she gets closer to that, she'll slide farther. She needs to get by the water sprinklers. Not backwards, not backwards. No, don't do that. Beat him up next time he does that, Olivia. Libby, get over that way.
On your right shoulder.
I don't know if I got that, but it about got me. No, I may just stay in. I think I got your head coming down here.
Let me see.
We'll show it all on TV later.
On TV?
Yeah, we're taking a video.
Let me see that.
You know,
Boy, no! No!
okay.
Come on, Olivia. Watch out.
Jacob, you're okay if you want to get wet, buddy. I can't zoom out anymore.
Watch out, Olivia. Watch out.
Watch out. We can put these on a Money and Gold videos. Olivia!
We got Becky's that other swimsuit. No, it's just short.
Oh, look at Becky, all wet.
They had to put on another piece so they could
Olivia. 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 I see you. Hey. Turtle. Hey, turtle. Look. Becky. Are you going in, Dad? Lay down, Dad. You got it.
Salt water.
What do you think? Is that fun? Come on.
Rain on us.
Preston.
You need to get Dad wet.
Although I thought Russell was going to slide down there and get you wet.
No, I'll run into him.
I love it. He's like, one side? Alright, you're good. Now the other side, you're good. Alright, got the back, and they're good. Okay, got the other side. I think he's just taking time. Libby! Olivia! Libby! Libby, 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 Libby!
Go down and hit the jet and knock it over.
Hurt yourself.
What I did.
The sprinkler's actually a lot better.
Yeah, a little bit.
Rustin just likes his concoction
Wet
better.
enough, Olivia?
Fun.
Will it get my butt down the hill?
There's a little.
Oh no, Dad. Don't hurt yourself.
Belly.
Wet enough, you'll get down here in the water.
Pull him, Rustin. Oh, don't.
Well,
Just kidding.
that's wet for a minute. It's too dry.
He's like, what the hell?
See, when I got just about right there, that's when I finally slid. Like I gotta get...
Turn the water off.
Lay down, Dad. Just lay in it. Absorb.
You want me to pull ya? That water. Wait.
All right, Dad.
Mom watching the egg.
Want a fish?
The egg.
I don't know if she is or not.
Body sideways.
Hey, the belly works. I made it halfway down.
All right, Seal.
If I could go in straight, but going in sideways, it ain't gonna feel good hitting that box over there.
Nope.
I'll push you, Dad. I'll push you if you get close.
No, that just hurt more. Which way did you take Becky down? Head first?
Yeah, I grabbed her arms and pulled her.
I don't know if that'll work for me.